I splurged a little bit and I got these opal beads and I'm absolutely in love. So we're gonna make a bracelet. I got my bead spinner and I got some white seed beads. I'm gonna be taking some of my favorite elastic string. We're gonna cut that, put it on the hook, and then we're gonna start using our bead spinner. It took a second for it to start collecting beads, but as soon as I angled my hook a little bit differently, it started catching beads like crazy. And look at the opals in the background. Opals are seriously one of my favorite gemstones. After I collected a decent amount of beads, we're gonna slide it down onto the string and then we're gonna go one more time, just adding enough beads on so we can make a bracelet. We're gonna slide it off, and apparently it got a little stuck here. Seed beads tend to stay on the hook a little bit. Oof, look at how pretty. Oh my goodness, those colors. It's really fun making this bracelet when I had a little bit of sun peeking through my window. But after we added that bead, we're going to go ahead and tie it. I do surgeon's knot and then a couple knots after. We're going to cut it and look at this. This is how it looks with all 3 different opal colors. And this is definitely a keep. I'm going to be wearing this every day. And these are definitely going in the shop.